Hey guys, I know it's been like a really long time since I last updated. I've just been, carried away with high school and stuff, but I'm hoping I can get more spare time to upload videos. Um, but anyways, today I thought of trying a different style of content, and instead of the regular like flight reviews, although I do have a video coming soon from my winter trip. So hopefully I can get that out to you guys quickly. But anyways, if you haven't guessed already, um, today we're doing an airline tier list. And yeah, let's get into it. First up, Aer Lingus. Now, do I know much about Aer Lingus? No, I haven't flown on it either. But based on what I've heard, like Aer Lingus is good. Um, I'd say. I'd put it, I guess, like A or B based on what I've heard. I'll just say like A. Next up, Aeroflot. I haven't been on this either again, but I've heard from people it's like a C, like it's okay. Um, oh, and I also I have no idea section, just because I don't want to have like outrageous takes, because a lot of these airlines I don't know. So yeah, I don't want to offend people from my opinions. Aerolog, no idea, I've never heard of it. Aero Mexico, I've heard it's pretty decent. I'd put it like B. Air Baltic, I have nothing about know nothing about it. Um. Air Botswana. Nope, don't know anything. Air Canada. Okay, finally. First airline I've actually flown on. Um, I'd say goes into good, but not that good. It's been all right. I mean, on international flights it's been good, but domestic flights hasn't been that great. Air China. Cargo. I mean, it's cargo. Yeah, I don't know. Cargo. I mean, Air France. I've heard it's pretty good, so I'm gonna keep it there. Air New Zealand. I've flown in Air New Zealand before. Um, I'd put it on like good, like it's pretty decent. Next up, Air North Yukon's airline. I've never heard of that before. Air Serbia, nope, don't know nothing. Air Transat, I have heard about Air Transat, but never flown on it. Air Asia, Indonesia, I haven't flown on it. Air Asia, I'm gonna put Air Asia and Air Asia X together. I've heard it's pretty good low cost, so I'd put them like together, I guess. Cause yeah, Indonesia, I guess. But actually, I don't know much about Indonesia, so I'll just put it there for now. Air Bridge Cargo. Nope, no idea. Alaska. I've flown in Alaska. Um, it was good. I mean, it wasn't anything special. Next, I forgot what this one was called. Oh, Air Ida Air yeah. I've heard from people it's I guess the like A or B. I'm gonna put it good, pretty good. I say. Allegiant. Allegiant. I'd say Allegiant. I haven't really heard of. I'd probably put it C. I haven't flown on it, but based on just what people say. American. I recently flew on American during my trip. I'd say American was good. Um, okay, next. ANA. I've heard ANA is like elite, like one of the best airlines hands down. Should I put it, is it goated though? Oh, no, it's kind of expensive. Just why. I don't know. Should I put it goated or pretty good? I mean, if I'm gonna compare Air NA, I guess I'd put it goated then, I guess. First goated. Asiana. I've heard Asiana is like A or B. I'd say probably like A. Or actually, no, I'll put it here. Gotta reconsidering some. This Air France was pretty elite too. Okay, next we've got Atlas Air. Pretty sure that's cargo, so don't know. Should I just make a new thingy? Just a new row? I'm gonna call this one cargo. Yeah, that's like it. Let's put it's aerolog. What is aerolog? Aerolog. Airlines. Cargo. Aerologic. Okay. Air Baltic, I don't think so. Air China Cargo. Air North. Con Airline. Okay, it's an actual thingy. It's a charter airline. Air Transat. Pretty sure Air Transat is indeed passenger airline. Yeah. And then Airbridge Cargo and Atlas Air go there. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm considering Air France has heard pretty good things. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put Air France here, Asiana there. Aer Lingus, I'm probably gonna drop down. Actually, no. Austrian. I've heard Austrian is a great airline. I'm putting it straight in A. Avianca, I'd say like B. Azul Air. Azul, probably C. I haven't put Batik Air. No idea, man. British Airways, I'd probably put B. Cargo Jet and Cargo. Cargo Lux and Cathay Pacific, I'd say is an A. Especially their premium economy, really good network. Cebu Pacific, I'd say like A or B. I mean, sorry, B or C. Let's put C. China Airlines, I have no idea, man. China Eastern, no idea. I don't. Let me get like in the comments. Let me know how these Chinese airlines are. I've actually never flown to China or whatever, so I don't know how Chinese flights are. Oops. Okay, my bad. I've been putting all of these in cargo, but yeah. CityLink. What is CityLink? Airlines. They're an Indonesia airline. Okay, I have no idea. Condor. I've heard Condor is good. It's a good airline. Copa Airlines. Copa Airlines. Have I heard? I don't know about Copa Airlines. I don't know. I haven't flown on it. But like Copa Airlines, I've heard decent. Yeah, I haven't heard anything really about it. I guess I'd put it like here. Yeah, I don't know. Cubana, no idea. Delta. Delta's actually really good. I'm gonna put Delta pretty good. I've heard probably best, probably the best airline in America. DHL, that's cargo. EasyJet. EasyJet is like very underrated. Um, like for low cost, like EasyJet is kind of a no-brainer. Um, so I guess I'll put EasyJet. Like, where'd it go? Where did EasyJet? Oh, I don't know. Where should I put it? Should I put it B? We'll put it B. Edelweiss. Haven't heard much of it. I want to put it in, I have no idea. Egypt Air. No, I've heard okay things about Egypt. I'd say okay. I haven't. I don't really know about Egypt Air. I want to like judge on countries. I have no idea. L, I think pretty sure that's like Israeli. Emirates. Hear me out. Emirates. This is gonna be a hot take, but Emirates is going straight into good, but not that good. I mean, so because like I don't know, the service isn't. My parents have had bad experiences. Actually, I'm just gonna put them pretty good. I think most people have relatively decent experiences. Ethiopian, I've heard it's like okay. Let's see, Etihad. Etihad, I'd say is pretty good. EVA Air. Everyone calls it EVA Air, but it's actually supposed to be pronounced EVA Air. That's what I've heard so far. I'd put it there. FedEx. FedEx is goated, man. Where is goated? I don't care, man. Let me scroll up all the way. Goated. FedEx. Finnair. I haven't actually flown on Finnair, but during one of my trips, I flew on Iberia. Like we bought it from Fin. It was Finnair, but operated by Iberia. I don't know. I guess based on that, I'll put Finnair in like good or something. I have watched reviews of Finnair, so yeah, I think as long as we're Flair. I know Flair is like a Canadian low cost airline. Haven't flown on it though, so Flybe, idea. Fly Dubai. Ooh, I've heard pretty nasty things about Fly Dubai. I'll put it kind of sucks. Like it wasn't that bad. Garuda, Indonesia. I've heard like it's okay. Hawaiian. I have flown on Hawaiian. Hawaiian, I'd put in good, but not that good. Iberia. Iberia is actually a very underrated airline. It's going straight into pretty good. That I flew on it this winter. It's pretty, very nice airlines. Iceland Air. I've heard okay things about Iceland Air. Iran Air. I've nope, don't know anything. Iraqi Airways. Don't know anything about either. JAL. Japan Airlines. I've heard pretty good things. I'm gonna put in pretty good. Um, yeah. Jet2.com. Low cost. I've never heard of. JetBlue. I've heard JetBlue is like good, but not that good. I mean, I don't know. Jetstar Asia. But what I've heard of Jetstar so far, do we have like the regular Jetstar? No, I don't think so. I don't think we have the regular Jetstar. So based on that, I'm just gonna put Jetstar. Oh wait, we do. I'm blind. I don't know how Jetstar Asia is, so I'm gonna just put it. I have no idea. Jetstar, I've heard not so great things about it. KLM. KLM, I've heard good things about it. I'm gonna put it in pretty good. Korean Air. Korean Air also going to pretty good, I'd say. LATAM Cargo. That's cargo. LATAM? Oh no, I've never. Yeah, also Copa Air. Copa Copa Airlines, I'm gonna put it in good. Not that good. I think I've seen some stuff about it. LATAM, also I'm gonna put it in like good, but not that good. You know. This one, no idea. Is that Lion Parcel? If that's parcel, I'm gonna say that's like cargo. London Air Services. The hell? No. Is that even London Air Services? They're like helicopters, bro. What the hell? Lufthansa. Lufthansa. I've heard they have greatly improved their quality. They're going straight into pretty good. FedEx. Malaysia. Malaysia, I've also heard good things about. I'm gonna put it in here. See, Malindo Air. I think Malindo Air. I've seen like it's like okay. Mirapati. Is this Malindo Air then? I'm gonna put it there. Yeah. Mirapati. I've never heard of it. Nam. Is that like Vietnam's airline? Never heard of it. National Destination Excellence. No idea. Nippon Cargo Airlines. Cargo. Norwegian. I haven't heard of Norwegian. I've heard of like Norse Air. I mean, are they the same? Are Norwegian Air and Norse the same thing? Norwegian Airlines. Let me see. Scandinavian low cost. Okay, so it's not Norse Air, North Atlantic, which I don't see on this airline on this tier list. So yeah, sorry, people from Norway. I guess yeah, you won't have North Atlantic Air. But yeah, Norwegian will be an I have no idea. Oman Air. I've heard things about Oman Air. I'm gonna put it in good, but not that good. Philippine Airline. I'll put in pretty good. I've heard good things about it. No idea, man. I don't even know what that is. Qantas. Qantas, I would put in goaded, but like, I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel right. Qantas isn't like crazy. I mean, I don't know, man. Qantas, is it goaded? Is it? What do you guys think? I'm not sure, man. I don't know if Qantas is like, I'm gonna put them goaded. They have like nice warm food and domestic flights and stuff too. And Qantas is really Qatar, man. Qatar is goaded, man. Man, like it's crazy. Air Baltic, never mind. Whoops. Royal Air Maroc. No idea. I do know they're a part of like Star Alliance, but Air Jordanian. No idea. I think I have heard of it. Ryanair. You and Ryanair is better. Ryanair was like okay. I mean, I flew on it. It's good for low cost, I guess, but it's like really terrible. I'll put it in good, but not. Saudia. I've heard Saudia is good, but not that good. Scoot. Scoot, another low cost airline. Don't know much about it. Let's see. Forgot what this one is. Is this? I don't know, man. I don't know what that one is. Is this Cathay Pacific? Cathay Pacific. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm so stupid. We already had Cathay Pacific, right? We already have them. Other. What is? What is this one? Am I allowed to like? Yeah, I have no idea. I swear I've seen this. Singapore. Singapore. It's not even a question. Voted. Skylink Express. What is this? Skylink Express. Well, guys, let me know like if you guys have been on these airlines I've never been to, been on like see, so I know like if they're good or not. Skylink Express, and I can also like tell my parents like whether it's good if we want to go somewhere and it's worth it. Yeah, it's cargo. Smart Wings. Let's see. Smart Wings Airlines. Czech Airline. Biggest airline in the Czech Republic. I'm so sorry to all my Czech viewers. Okay. All right. Ooh. Okay. Southwest. Southwest, I'd say, is pretty good. It's really decent, low cost, and it's really great. Like the free seating, whatever. It's cheap. Good legroom too. Spirit. Um, Thinking there's Spirit, there's got to be Frontier, but I don't see Frontier. They were gonna merge, but then it didn't work out. But Spirit, I'd say you even Ryanair's better. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Sri Lankan, Sri Lankan. Yeah, I've never heard of it. Sriwijaya Air. No idea. Susi Air. No. Swiss. Swiss. I've heard it's pretty good. Tajik Air. Don't know. Tap Air Portugal. I've heard Tap Air Portugal is pretty good. Thai Airlines. Thai Airlines is actually like really good. It's one of the one. It's a really good airline. I don't know. Should I put it goated? Do Thai Airlines have AT? Do Thai Airlines A380? This is just an internal thought. Okay, no, they do. They do still use it. Should I put Thai Airlines goated? I've heard really good things about it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it, boys. Boys, I'm gonna do it. Yep. All right. Thai Lion Air. No idea. Thomas Cook. No idea. Trigana Air. No idea. TUI. TUI, I've heard is like, I'd say CRD. I'm gonna say, hmm. Compared to all of these, I'd say TUI kind of sucks. Yeah, I haven't heard great things about it. Turkish Air. Turkish Air is a very underrated airline. It is pretty good. I've heard lots of people talk about it. I haven't flown it, so. Then United Airlines. United Airlines is very overrated. America's most overrated airlines. They're good, but they're not that good. I'd say Delta, Southwest, American, they're all better. UPS. UPS. Okay, UPS is goaded. Yeah. It just is. Wamos Air. Now, most of you might not have heard of this airlines, but basically when I was going to Australia, I think it was like we bought tickets from Air New Zealand, but from Auckland to Perth, but they didn't have an Air New Zealand flight, so it was operated by Wamos Air. And honestly, it wasn't bad. Even though it was operated by like Air New Zealand, so I'd put it like B, I guess. So, because I don't have a clear idea, but I'd just put it B. WestJet. I heard WestJet is pretty okay. So yeah. Wings Air. No, no idea. Wizz. I think that's another Canadian low cost airlines. Haven't heard anything about it though. Yeah, I don't know much. Wow Air. Never heard of this. Express Air, what is this? Probably cargo. Indonesian airline. They stopped in 2021. Damn. I guess if they stopped in 2021, they should probably be at EU because they kind of fell off. Um, yeah, I'm gonna put them there. Actually, no, maybe they were good. I'm gonna put it in. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, like huge majority of these airlines I don't know, but you know, I'm just like seeing if there's anything on change. Wiz and Flare, I'm having second doubts on, but actually no, I think this is all right. So yeah, that is my tier list. Actually, no, it was Air France. I feel like Air France is kind of doesn't deserve that good spot. Now, I've been thinking it, and like Air France. I think Air France have improved their quality lately. Should I take them out of goaded? Yeah, I might have to take them out of goaded. I'm gonna take them out of goaded. I don't know, man. It kind of feels wrong. No, man. I'm thinking. The more I think about it, I'm like trying to think of like all the flight reviews I've watched of Air France. Thinking, man. Yeah, I think I'll keep it there. Pretty good. I don't think Air France deserves a goated spot. Same with Qantas. I think I'm gonna keep Qantas there. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's it. That's the final tier list. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye. Actually, guys, yeah, I've decided to change it, after further consideration. I think Air France, I think I was right in first place. It deserves goated status. It's pretty good based on all the reviews I've watched. And yeah, that's basically it. So, see ya.